Water is the most important element for the development of human life, animals and crops. At ILURCO, we provide the most advanced, simple and efficient solutions in the industry for the storage and conservation of water. ILURCO was born in 1984 on the initiative of its founder, Juan Urén, as a response to look for a better optimized water storage solution. All this research culminates in the development of ILURCO's system patent for the construction of water tanks, a modular and precast system that is a trend globally nowadays. Our patented ILURCO system has a highly optimized design. It is composed of a wavy galvanized steel wall. It is built with bolted sheets and supported on a reinforced concrete ring. The floor is waterproofed by a liner covering the entire bottom. The metal cover is designed for easy transport and assembly. Our modular system allows for very fast installation. The floor liner implies significant savings in foundation and guarantees water tightness. In addition, the wavy sheet provides higher capacity, resistance to winds and earthquakes. ILURCO tanks are manufactured in Granada, Spain, where the entire process is controlled from start to finish under strict quality controls, production capacity of over 500 tanks per year. Galvanized sheet metal is subject to profiling, punching and bending processes with high-precision machinery that allows us to manufacture tanks capable of storing over 16,000 cubic meters. On the galvanized sheet, a finish in several layers of epoxy resin inside and enamels on the outside is applied. This confers greater durability and a better finish, in addition to being able to adapt it to a greater range of uses: irrigation, drinking water, wastewaters, or firefighting. Manufacturing every component of our tanks allows us a better control over the entire process and greater efficiency in mass production that optimize production. In addition, it allows us to develop tailor-made products when the customer needs it. Once manufactured, the tank is shipped to the installation site, where our specialist assemblers travel anywhere in the world to install the final product. Our tanks are extremely easy and quick to assemble with a system in which all parts are designed to fit perfectly. At ILURCO, we are constantly moving forward. Our R&D department develops solutions for every customer necessity. Our ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certifications define our strong quality and environmental commitment. ILURCO's human team is our differential value. A team of people where familiarity, respect, commitment and dedication in every part of the process constitutes a service of excellence for our customers. In over 35 years, several generations have joined the ILURCO family, and they even work alongside today. Our product's ease of transport has allowed ILURCO tanks to be exported to more than 25 countries around the world since 1998. We established our own branch and staff in Peru in 2011. Our goal is to be able to get anywhere where water needs to be stored. In addition, we promote donations of drinking water facilities in vulnerable populations and sponsor sports events. Improving water management and helping to leave a better planet for future generations is our main motivation. We care and protect your most valuable resource, water. ILURCO Water, at your doorstep.